Hi gang, today we're going to continue rewriting equations into slope-intercept form by transforming them and solving for y, and we're also going to graph them on the coordinate plane. So here we have two equations that have to be rewritten and then graphed. So it says transform the following equations into slope-intercept form, state the slope and the y-intercept, and then graph it on the corresponding coordinate plane. So for this first one, again, we want to isolate the y, get the y by itself, so we want to add 3x to both sides. That gives me y equals 3x minus 4. And luckily, that's the only thing we had to do here. It's already in slope-intercept form. The slope being 3 over 1, and the y-intercept being negative 4. So I go over to my coordinate plane, start down at negative 4, and go up 3 over 1 repeatedly. Take your straight edge and neatly draw your line through your points, labeling it with the original equation, negative 3x plus y equals negative 4. Okay, so on the same coordinate plane, we're going to do a second equation. That's why it's important that we label. So now for this one, again, we want to isolate the y. So we're going to start by subtracting 4x, which gives us 8y equals negative 4x minus 40. Then we're going to divide by 8, and y equals negative 1 half x minus 5. So now we have our slope is negative 1 half, and our y-intercept is negative 5. So we're going to start down at negative 5, and we're going to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, or left 1 right up 2. Left 2 up 1, or up 1 left 2, creating a negative slope. Use your straight edge, arrows on both ends, and label with the original equation. Okay, so again, the only difference here from yesterday and today is that we're now actually doing the graph. Again, when you're solving, the purpose is to solve for y, so you can get it in a format that's easy to graph.